Here's how to use the Lotus Lamp X app in just 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to connect your LED lights, sync them to music, and fix the most common connection problems. First, power on your compatible LED light or controller. The light should turn on, and if it has not been paired before, enter Bluetooth pairing mode automatically. Next, open the Lotus Lamp X app on your phone. On the home screen, you'll either see nearby Bluetooth devices right away or a scan button if no device is detected yet. One important step is to pair the light inside the Lotus Lamp X app, not through your phone's Bluetooth settings. Next, tap Scan if your light does not appear automatically. Wait for the app to list nearby devices with names such as BLED, ELK-BLEDOM, RGBIC_LED, or something similar. Then, tap your LED controller from the list. Once connected, you'll see the main control screen with the power button, brightness slider, color wheel, lighting effects, and scene options. After that, choose any color, adjust the brightness, or select a dynamic lighting effect. Your LED lights should respond instantly. Now open the music or rhythm mode. If prompted, allow microphone or media library access so the app can detect sound. Depending on your controller, you can sync the lights using your phone's microphone, a built-in controller microphone, or supported local music files stored on your device. If your controller supports them, you can also save favorite presets, create schedules, or set timers for automatic lighting changes. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Turn Bluetooth off and back on, unplug the LED controller for about 10 to 15 seconds, reconnect the power, move within 3 to 5 feet of the controller, reopen the Lotus Lamp X app, and scan again. If the issue continues, clear the app cache or reinstall the app before pairing again. If your LED device still doesn't appear, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, confirm the controller has power, and on Android, allow the location permission if the app requests it. If music mode isn't working, check that you've granted microphone or media permissions and try using local music files since streaming services may not be supported by every controller. If the app keeps disconnecting, restart both LED controller and your phone's Bluetooth, then reconnect while staying within Bluetooth range. Once everything is set, your LED lights will appear in the Lotus Lamp X app, letting you control colors, brightness, effects, timers, and supported music synchronization directly from your phone. Following the simple steps makes using the Lotus Lamp X app quick and easy.